In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create a polished and professional monthly sales performance report for your small online store. Whether you need comprehensive details or a quick executive summary, I'll guide you through each step of the process to ensure you end up with a report that's not only informative, but also well-structured and visually appealing. Let's begin by opening ChatGPT. Head over to chat.openai.com. Log in with your credentials and start by initiating a new chat session. This is where your journey begins as you leverage the power of AI to assist you in report making. Entering a new chat provides a blank canvas where you can clearly input your data and requirements for this task. Next, you'll need to present your topic or data to ChatGPT. For instance, say you're handling monthly sales performance data. You might input something like, I need a monthly sales performance report for my small online store. Then proceed to list out your data clearly, such as January $1,200, February $1,500, March $900, April $1,800. Inputting precise data will ensure that the AI has the best foundation to work from, so take a moment to double-check your figures and formatting. Once your data is input, it's time to ask ChatGPT to lay out your information in a structured report format. A sample prompt might be, create a professional report with sections, introduction, key findings, analysis, and recommendations. This step is vital as it transforms raw data into a format that's easy to digest and professionally presented. A clearly structured report with well-defined sections enables readers to quickly understand your store's performance and insights. After structuring, let's focus on enhancing clarity through formatting. You can instruct ChatGPT with a prompt like, format the report with clear headings, bullet points, and a summary table. This adds an extra layer of readability to your report, making it not just about the numbers, but also how they're presented. Well-formatted reports are always easier to read and can leave a more lasting impression on your audience. Now, think about who will be reading this report. Tailoring your report's tone is essential, particularly if it's meant for a specific audience like investors. You might say, rewrite the report for a business investor. Keep it formal, concise, and focused on growth opportunities. This helps ensure that your report speaks directly to the needs and expectations of your audience, making it a more persuasive and valuable document. In addition, consider creating various versions to cater to different needs. Perhaps you want something more succinct. You could prompt, make a shorter version of this report that fits into a one-page executive summary. This is a great way to cater to stakeholders who prefer quick overviews that get straight to the point without diving into too many details. Lastly, once you're satisfied with the report, it's time to export and save it. Simply copy the final version from ChatGPT and paste it into your desired format, whether that's Word, Google Docs, or a PDF. This final step ensures you have a shareable document that's ready for distribution, whether you're emailing it to an investor or presenting it at your next team meeting. By following these steps, you harness the full potential of AI to generate insightful reports that are both professional and customized to your needs. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.